Guys, with some very bullish symbols that we are seeing form on the Dogecoin charts, I have some very good news to share with you in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, an article just came out titled, "What August's record-breaking month for crypto flows means for Bitcoin." Guys, this means that the supply shortage for Bitcoin is only increasing. This means that the price only will continue to go up, therefore causing the rest of the cryptocurrency market to follow up along with it. And this is seen through on-chain data on the charts. Because there is so much Bitcoin being removed from the exchanges and being put into cold storage, that's what's creating such a supply shortage. And guys, the more money that gets in, the more mass adoption that occurs, the less volatility that we'll have to trade with, the more stability that we'll have, which is a good thing. However, it doesn't allow for us to have so much profits in the short term because of that volatility. So it's still a great time to get in during these infancy stages when the cryptos are easily half price of their actual worth. Another article just came out titled, "Gold Bond Portfolios Are Naked Without Bitcoin," Bloomberg strategist asserts. The declaration occurs after Bitcoin pops right back up above 50,000, which is now outperforming the S&P 500 index. People who invest in gold and bonds are actually losing money nowadays, and that's another reason why they're putting so much money into cryptos and Bitcoin. Guys, when you invest in the stock market, you oftentimes don't see any return for a year or two, and that's if it's a very progressive stock to invest in. Guys, we keep seeing Bitcoin double in value, double in price every single year. Cryptos are clearly one of the best investments you could possibly make, and right now getting in at such low prices could very well be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Guys, people got rich on crypto. People got rich on Bitcoin because they got in early. You still have that chance to get in early on a lot of these different altcoins, and that's one of the easiest ways to reach financial freedom. A lot of stocks are lucky if they've made 10 to 15% each year. Guys, we do that in less than a week with cryptocurrencies, and that's why there's a mass exodus occurring for crypto. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, it's not just the smaller retailer investor getting in right now. It's a lot of giant firms, big banks, countries, and whales getting into cryptos more than ever right now. And that's why we're seeing the prices skyrocket on a lot of the top cryptos. And the adoption curve chart shows us that people are literally adopting cryptos even faster than they adopted the internet in the early 90s. Guys, as so many people are adopting cryptos, a lot of tech companies, Amazon and a lot of others, even Walmart, are actually going to create their own cryptocurrency, and that's what's going to allow a lot of money to pour into their business and inevitably pour into cryptocurrencies, causing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of the top cryptos to go up in price. And guys, pat yourselves on the back if you're putting the money that you have on the side, that extra money, into cryptos, because guys, you are literally planting a seed for your future, your financial freedom in the future. And guys, as the supply shortages continue for Ethereum and Bitcoin, it's going to cause it to be a very rare entity. it's going to be very hard to buy into, and it may not even be offered on regular exchanges anymore, causing the prices to easily soar past $20, $30, $40, or $50,000 here just by next year. And with Bitcoin being a limited asset as well, I'm expecting it to surpass $150,000 just by the end of 2022. Guys, with several bullish flag and pennants on the Ethereum charts, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows. I'm expecting for our next level of resistance at $42,000 to be met just within the next week or two. With Cardano and Bitcoin, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows, with continuous bullish flag and pennants as well, with consolidation ascending triangles just thereafter. And as we look at the Dogecoin charts, we see much of a consolidation period just thereafter. However, we do see a bullish flag and pennant forming right here and a small consolidation period thereafter. With this dip right here, it allows us to buy in, allows me to call out the dip, and then shortly after that, we should see a huge pump thereafter. So you want to be ready for that, keep some cash on the side, and be ready to buy the dip when I call it out. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.